What are the benefits of having 3 boiled eggs daily? Do eggs provide nutrition? Absolutely. Eggs are quite hard to beat when it comes to helping you reach your daily nutritional requirements. In addition to being a great source of high-quality protein, eggs also include critical antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and 13 other important vitamins and minerals. The egg yolk provides essential healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in addition to 60% of the high-quality protein found in egg whites. Together, these nutrients make up a considerable contribution to your daily nutritional needs. Here are a few of the main, scientifically supported health advantages of eating eggs. 1. You could have more energy and feel fuller. Eggs are a little reasonably priced food item, yet they are incredibly nutritious. Particularly, the yolk contains vital nutrients including choline, vitamin D, and vitamin B12, all of which aid in the conversion of food into energy the body can use. Additionally, eggs have some staying power because of the protein and good fat they contain, which helps you feel fuller for longer. 2. Bone health. Vitamin D is necessary for many body functions. It can improve mental health, cut the risk of several malignancies, and help control blood pressure. Keeping our bones healthy is one of the most crucial roles that vitamin D plays in our bodies. It accomplishes this by enhancing the gut's ability to absorb calcium and by assisting in maintaining calcium and phosphorus levels in a range that supports normal bone formation and remodeling. Adding an egg to your diet every day will help maintain strong bones, as they contain 6% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin D. 3. Eggs provide excellent quality protein. Most people agree that eggs are a great source of high-quality protein. One egg has roughly 6.3 grams of protein, which is the building block of life and necessary for the strength and repair of muscle and tissue. 4. Hair and skin might be healthier. Eggs are a good source of various B vitamins, including vitamins B2, B5, and B12. All of these nutrients have several functions in the body, including maintaining healthy skin and hair. Additionally, eggs contain a lot of methionine, an amino acid that helps strengthen hair and nails, as well as the tone and pliability of skin. 5. You might have better vision. The 2 carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin, found in egg yolks, are crucial for maintaining eye health. They are crucial for the growth of the eyes and good vision, and evidence suggests that they may even help reduce the incidence of prevalent age-related eye disorders. You may double your intake of lutein and zeaxanthin by doubling up on dark leafy greens, as demonstrated by meals like our stir-fried mustard greens with eggs and garlic. 6. Eggs improve levels of good cholesterol. Eggs are generally considered to have little to no influence on the risk of heart disease because they help raise levels of high-density lipoprotein, or good cholesterol. Low-density lipoprotein, or bad cholesterol, is the type of cholesterol that can be harmful to one's heart. Meals heavy in trans and saturated fats, such deep-fried fast food, are the main offenders when it comes to the risk of LDL cholesterol. According to some research, eating up to 3 eggs a day can actually boost heart health. Moderation is key, like with anything, particularly if you eat eggs every day. A well-balanced diet can significantly aid in stress reduction and improve mental health practices, which in turn can lessen the severity of symptoms and maximize improved performance. Regarding the robust advantages of eggs, the amalgamation of vitamin B2, B12, choline, iron, and tryptophan is linked to mitigating the likelihood of anxiousness, alleviating depressive symptoms, and promoting restful sleep by nature. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.